Welcome to miniEM. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to use a tonometer to measure intraocular pressure in the emergency department. You don't have to numb your patient's eye for the tonometer like you do for the tonopen. The tonometer only works if you keep it entirely perpendicular to the floor. So this means you can't use it on patients if they're supine, and they have to be sitting upright at 90 degrees. This piece is meant to rest on the patient's forehead. You can adjust it to make it longer or shorter by turning this knob. To turn the tonometer on, press the lower button until you hear a beep. The screen should then say load. Turn the machine upside down and keep it parallel to the floor. Open the single-use probe and load the metal piece into the machine. There should be a little white ball sticking out. Now be really careful once you have your probe loaded in. If you don't keep it either parallel to the floor or at 90 degrees perpendicular to the floor, the probe will fall out, or the machine just won't work correctly and the little white ball will just fall towards your patient's eye when you try to take your measurements. Keep the probe about 4 to 8 millimeters from their cornea. The goal is to have the little white ball shoot out and gently touch the patient's cornea right in the middle over the pupil. Take your measurements by pressing the lower button. You can either press and hold to take rapid measurements automatically, or you can press the button repeatedly to do it manually. After about 6 measurements, you'll get a good average intraocular pressure reading. To clear the reading and move on to the next eye, just press the lower button again. If you're too close or too far from the eye, the machine will give you an error message that says so. All right, that was how to measure intraocular pressure with a tonometer. Check out the rest of our miniEM library for some more eye education.